In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Squarespace version. Whether you're troubleshooting, updating your site, or just curious, knowing your Squarespace version is fundamental. I'll walk you through the process in a straightforward manner, so let's jump in. First off, you'll need to head over to the Squarespace website. This is the starting point for all the magic we're about to do. Simply type Squarespace into your browser and hit enter. Once you've landed on their homepage, look for the login option. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Now, Squarespace offers a variety of ways to log in, but for simplicity's sake, we're going to use the Google account option. So go ahead and click on your Google account from the options presented. Following that selection, you'll need to click on Continue with Google. This method helps streamline the login process, making it quicker and more secure. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to your website. You can do this by going directly to your account dashboard. Look for any thumbnails of your site or a direct link to your website and click on it. This action will take you to the main dashboard of your Squarespace site. Next, we're going to dive a bit deeper. We need to access the Pages section of your site. This is where all the content of your site is managed. From your blog posts to your homepage layout, you can find the Pages section in the sidebar of your dashboard. It's usually represented by an icon that looks like layers of paper or a small booklet. Click on it to proceed. Now here comes the part where most people get a bit lost, but don't worry, I've got you. Once you're in the Pages section, you'll need to scroll all the way down to the bottom. It might seem like there's nothing down there, but I promise you there's gold at the end of this scrolling journey. Hidden at the very bottom, you'll find the version of Squarespace your site is currently running on. It's usually in small print, but it's there. This detail is crucial for a variety of reasons, including troubleshooting issues or when you're seeking support. And there you have it, folks. That's how you check your Squarespace version. Knowing this tiny piece of information can be extremely helpful in managing your site more effectively. Remember, each version of Squarespace comes with its own set of features and limitations. So, understanding which version you're working with can help you make the most out of your Squarespace experience. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and has demystified the process of checking your Squarespace version. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Happy web designing and see you in the next video.